Let's learn how to fix app does not support grant access to folder on Zarchiver. Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix app does not support grant access to folders on Zarchiver. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Zarchiver. Click on the OK option in order to allow permission to read, modify and delete files to access your phone files. So just click on OK and allow access to manage all files. So turn the toggle on and go back. Click on allow. With this, it is going to work. But if yours did not work, this is what you have to do. Go out from your Zarchiver, head straight to the settings of your phone. So right there on the settings of my phone, all I have to do is scroll gently and click on app management. Right here on my app management, I just have to click on app list and search for Zarchiver. You're going to see an option that says storage and cache. Click on it. Clear your cache. Clearing your cache, it will make your app to be active, but if for any reason it's still not active to your satisfaction, you can clear your storage. But mind you, when you clear your storage, the app becomes a new app automatically. So with this, you just have to go back. Having done that, if you still have issues with the app, I advise you to head straight to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that the Zarchiver is the latest version. Mine is the latest version, that is why we'll see option of open. If yours is not the latest version, you're going to see an option to update the app. So with these few steps, guys, you'll be able to fix app does not support grant access. If this video was helpful, do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.